Hey there Cajon Drummers, welcome back to another video here on Cajon Groove Guide. Today I've got a beginner lesson, very simple groove, but we're going to use it as an exercise to work on our dynamics and our speed and most importantly, the contrast between our bass accents and our snare accents. So that means making sure that the ghost notes in between are just the right volume. So as always, we're going to start out nice and slow. Let's get started. So as we practice this, let's be careful to make sure we have two distinct levels of sound or loudness, right? Those ghost notes are really down here, really quite soft, and those accents are really up here. Let's keep it simple at this stage and really focus on those two distinct levels. So I think this is a great exercise for any beginners on the cajon because it takes a bit of time, I think, to train our muscles to quickly move between those soft hits, the ghost notes, and those hard hits, the accents. When we get started, I think the main skill that we need to make this cajon sound like more than just a wooden box, but start to sound musical, right? I think that skill is being able to hit it hard and soft and in between, right? Adding these levels of dynamics. So in the simplest way, I think this is just the training that we need to give our hands to develop the control that we need to make this wooden box sound quite musical. And when you start to feel comfortable with that, one more thing that we can do is flip it around to leading with the left hand, meaning left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And what that does is it's going to train your coordination, but also, again, build up that control that when you want that soft note, when you want that hard note, those ghost notes, those accents, you can pull them out, so to speak, at any time you need. So let's also practice it in reverse with that leading left hand. Alright, so that's pretty much it. The reason I made this video is I personally believe that what makes a good musician or a good cajon player is not necessarily the complexity of the rhythms that they can play, but I think a lot of it comes down to their control over dynamics. We are hitting a wooden box after all. What makes it sound good is our ability to really drive those low and high volumes and mix them in with the music that we're playing with. So that's why I think this is such a valuable exercise. It might seem really basic, but trust me, when you practice trying to get faster, you'll feel yourself lose that control over your contrast and dynamics, and that's where I think the real lesson comes in. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Little side promotion, I've been kind of into Instagram a lot more lately. You can see the behind the scenes of videos just like this and kind of whatever else is going on. So please head over there and check that out in between lessons if you like. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.